Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your Steam privacy from private to public. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Steam, the go-to platform for more than 100 million gamers worldwide, offers robust privacy options to help users control what information they share with the public. Among the settings is the ability to manage your inventory privacy feature that determines whether other users can view your in-game items, trading cards, and collectibles. So in my previous video, I've shown you how to change your privacy settings from public to private. But now, what if you want to change your Steam from private to public? It's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our Steam. From here, you can go to your profile, so you can just open your profile. From your profile, you can select on edit profile, select on privacy settings, and here's all your game detail, your profile details. You can change my profile from private to friends only, or maybe public. If you want anyone can see your profile, you can select on public. And also your game detail, you can change. Maybe you want to make it public too, or friends only. And also the friend list, you want to make it public or friends only. And also your inventory. It's very simple, right? So here's how you change your profile settings, your privacy settings on your Steam account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change your privacy on Steam from private to public. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.